Imagine never fumbling for your keys again, or better yet, knowing your home is secure even when you're miles away. This isn't just a lock, it's a statement about modern home security. We're talking about the Schlage Connect Camelot touchscreen deadbolt, and honestly, it's a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their front door. The first thing you'll notice is that sleek, durable, resistive touchscreen. No more keys to lose, hide, or forget. Just punch in your code and you're in. It's incredibly convenient, especially when your hands are full, juggling groceries or kids. But the real magic happens when you connect it. This deadbolt plays nice with pretty much all the big players: Alexa, Nexia, Samsung SmartThings, and Wink. Thanks to its Z-Wave compatibility, you can lock or unlock your door from your phone, anywhere in the world. And getting alerts when specific codes are used. That's next-level peace of mind, letting you know exactly who's coming and going. Schlage has been in the security game for over 90 years, and it absolutely shows. This isn't just a fancy gadget. It's BHMA Grade 1 certified. That's the best in security, durability, and finish. It's built like a tank. Plus, there's an anti-pick shield protecting against tampering, and a built-in alarm that actually alerts you to potential security threats. That's a huge win for proactive home protection. Installation is pretty straightforward, designed to fit standard door thicknesses from 138 to 134 inches and universal backsets. And battery life. You're looking at about a year on 4 AA batteries, which is pretty solid for a smart device constantly communicating. Just remember, those batteries aren't included, so grab some when you pick this up. The satin nickel finish gives it a really premium look, blending seamlessly with most home aesthetics. It feels substantial, not flimsy. So is the Schlage Connect Camelot worth it? Absolutely. It combines robust, industry-leading security with the unparalleled convenience of smart home integration. If you're ready to ditch the keys and embrace a smarter, more secure home, this deadbolt is an outstanding choice. It truly delivers on its promise of strength and smarts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.